Hi guys, so today I have a little unboxing for you. I'm going to be unboxing the Stella McCartney mini Falabella bag, and this is a gift I got for myself for my birthday. Today is actually my birthday. So I decided I wanted to get this bag back in the summer, and I've kind of just been saving my money ever since then. And I think when you're buying a luxury designer handbag, an expensive handbag, you really want to be sure that you're getting what you want. I know I'm very indecisive. I always change my mind, but I've kind of just had my mind set on this bag since the summer, and the plan has been to get it for my birthday. So yeah, I really haven't changed my mind. I did go a little back and forth with the color. I went with the black. I think it would just go with everything. I also went with the shaggy deerskin. There's a shaggy deerskin, and then there's just the leather. The shaggy deerskin is supposed to be a little more like shimmery and kind of feel more like suede, which I think I would like a little more than just the leather. I also went with the silver hardware because all my other bags have gold hardware, so I wanted to get something a little different. And also I wanted to go with the mini because I think it would just be more the perfect size for myself. The other two Falabella bags I just thought were a little too big. I also like that this has like that crossbody option too. And so yeah, I mean, I'm really excited to finally open this. I got it actually a few weeks ago. I purchased it off the Stella McCartney website. And I did have a little bit of buyer's remorse after I bought it because I was just like, wow, I just spent like $935 on a handbag. That's what it came to. The purse itself is $870, and then tax, it's like $60 I think. So yeah, it came to $935. I also did the gift wrapping option they have, which is free. And I have to say I'm not too impressed with how they wrapped this. I mean, it's pretty much just wrapped in tissue paper with like a big Stella McCartney sticker on it. I'll show you in a bit. But yeah, I was really unimpressed with that. I thought they would at least put like in a Stella McCartney box or something with like a bow on it, or like wraps or something to make it look nice. So yeah, I was a little disappointed in that. But other than that, it was a really smooth transaction. I got the purse in probably less than a week. And so yeah, I mean, I hope I don't regret this purchase. But I mean, we'll open it and see, and if not, I can always return it. So let's do this. So since they didn't put it in a nice box or gift wrapped it, my mom put it in this little bag for me, which I think is really cute. Make it look a little more pretty. And so here is the purse. This is how it was wrapped, just in tissue paper like this, with like this gold Stella McCartney sticker on it. And it's actually a pretty heavy bag. I think it weighs like 3 pounds is what it said on the box, but yeah, it's pretty heavy. Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, I just can't. Oh my god, I don't even want to like rip the sticker. Okay, let's do it so I don't rip it. Oh no. Alright, so oh my god, I can see it. It's in this, what do you call it? It's like a dust bag. It says Stella McCartney on it. Oh my god, you can see the chain. Oh. Okay, we're gonna take it out now. I can't. Oh my god. Ooh, it's actually really pretty. Wow. So here we have it, the Stella McCartney mini Falabella bag. And I think that's actually a really good size. And there is kind of like a shimmery look to it. It almost looks like snake skin, sorta. It looks like. Oh my god, it's really pretty. And here we have the chain. Let's open this up. But anyway, yeah, I've been following Stella McCartney on Instagram for quite some time. And I remember, I don't know, I was probably like 16 or 17, I remember always seeing these bags on her Instagram and always wanting one and thinking, I'm never going to be able to afford that. But yeah, I mean, you really can. If you really work hard and you save your money, you can, you know, afford a luxury handbag. Believe me, if I can do it, I mean, you can too. And I'm just so, you know, excited about this. Oh my god. Absolutely love it. So the inside is like this pinkish blush color. And then there's a little pocket. What is this? This was in the pocket. Just a little Stella McCartney with the barcode on it. And then a little envelope. What is this? The vintage feel of this fabric is obtained by a process of distressing the surface of the fabric. This cracked and distressed look will continue to develop with time, giving the item an even more vintage feel. You know me, I love vintage, so I don't have a problem with that. This item utilizes non-leather vegetarian materials with unique finishing and highly skilled manufacturing techniques. This retains our ongoing commitment to animal and eco-friendly fashion. That's all. I also like this bag because it is not real leather, and you know, some people that may be a turn-off for, oh, it's not worth much because it's not real leather. But I mean, I have enough leather handbags. It's nice to have something a little different. And, I mean, yeah, it's really nice, I think. It's a designer, I mean, it's Italian-made handbag, so it's obviously going to be good quality. It doesn't have to be leather to be, you know, good quality. But anyway, yeah. Let's see what else is in here. I mean, I feel like I would be able to fit a lot in here. I mean, it does look kind of small, but, I mean, I really don't carry much around with me when I go places. So I think this is really, you know, the perfect size. Let's take this off of here. And it also has like the little Stella McCartney symbol right there, which is a nice touch. I think this will look good with like a key ring or something on it. Alright, so I'm going to stand up and show you a little bit better. And here we have it. I love it. I was a little worried about the chain being too long. But let's see. I know, I think it's perfect. If I just put it like on, like that. Yeah. And then you can just wear it like kind of flipped over like that. And it has a crossbody. Again, perfect. Wow. I actually really love this. Like, yeah, I mean, the quality seems really nice. It is a bit heavy, but I mean, compared to my Marc Jacobs stand bag, which has a huge chain on it, this is like nothing. So yeah. The chain, I was worried about the chain. Some people said it was kind of like uncomfortable, dug into their shoulder, but I don't think that's going to be a problem for me. But yeah, the whole reason why I really love this bag is because it's so different. And I really love the chain detailing. That's what really drew me into it, is that the chain around it. I just love it. Wow. Yes! I mean, I think this is $935 well spent. I mean, I will have to see how this holds up, but I mean, I just really love it. I love it! It's gorgeous. Alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and thank you for watching. Bye!